stop is Stavanger City Park, POTA November Oscar 2519.
Good morning there and welcome to the center of Norway's third largest city, Stavanger. I'm gonna activate November Oscar 2519, which is the Stavanger City Park. It's a beautiful spring day. The sun is just poking up above the buildings behind me here, and I'm gonna have fun on 20 meters. The noise levels here in the middle of the city, S+5 with white noise, so it's not too bad. Mostly the seagulls are the big issue. CQ parks on the air, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel. Florida 4, India Lima Hotel, you're 5 by 5.
Good morning, you're 5 by 3, 7 3, weekend. Florida 5, Papa Yankee India.
Florida 5, Papa Yankee India, 5 by 7.
Hello, Kittil, you're 5-7 also, 57, thank you. Okay, negative, Charlie Uniform is Italy United. Italy United 1, Hotel Juliet Foxtrot, and you are 5 and 9, 59, very good signal. Back to you.
QSL, Italy, Uniform 1, Hotel Juliet Foxtrot. Hello, Rubens. You are 5-5 to 5-7, some QS Baltimore. QSL?
Italia Kilo 4, India Delta, Florida, buongiorno.
Italy, Kilo 4, India Delta Foxtrot. Buongiorno, 5-9.
Also 5-9 for you, Kittil, good weekend.
Thank you very much, Rafael. Hope to meet you more times on the air. 7-3 and have a nice weekend. SSB was really slow here, 4 QSOs in roughly 10 minutes, so I'm switching over to Digimodes. I'm gonna run FT8 and FT4. That was pretty slow going. I got 4 in log on SSB and 7 more on Digimodes, and yeah, pretty much not a really quick day.